Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching product packaging design using Canva. Whether you're launching a new brand or refreshing your existing look, this tutorial will help you create packaging that's both professional and unique. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile app. Once you're on the homepage, head to the search bar and type packaging design. This will bring up a wide range of ready-made templates created to help you jumpstart your project. Take a minute to explore the different styles you see, from minimal and modern designs to bold and artistic layouts. These templates are a great foundation that you can easily customize to match your brand identity. When browsing, think carefully about how each design fits your product. For example, if you're creating packaging for a tech accessory, a clean, sleek layout might work best. If it's for an organic product or handmade item, you may prefer something more natural and earthy. Once you find a design that matches your brand's vibe, click on it and select Customize this template. This will open the Canva editor where you can begin personalizing your design. Start by editing the text elements. Replace any placeholder text with your product name, tagline, and other important details like ingredients, instructions, or features. Be sure to choose fonts that reflect your brand's tone: bold and confident, elegant and refined, or fun and friendly. Adjust the font size, spacing, and color until everything feels balanced and visually appealing. Next, customize the images or graphics. Canva has a huge library of photos, illustrations, and icons you can use, or you can upload your own product shots or logo for a more authentic touch. Don't hesitate to experiment with colors, filters, or textures until your design feels cohesive and aligned with your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with your layout, it's time to get your design ready for use. Click the download button in the top right corner and choose the format that best fits your needs. If you're printing, go for PDF, print for high quality results. If you're sharing online or with clients, a PNG or JPEG file will work perfectly. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful, professional product packaging design in Canva. With just a few adjustments and a touch of creativity, you can make your product stand out and leave a lasting impression on your customers. Thanks for watching and happy designing.